This flavorful Peking noodle broth is a perfect midweek treat that serves too, featuring Gressingham duck breast. Let's get started. Set your air fryer to 190 degrees. Meanwhile, soak your dried noodles in boiling water for 4 minutes. Stir midway. Then strain and set aside. Lightly salt the duck breast, then place into a cold pan, skin side down. On a medium heat, slowly render down the fat. You want the skin to crisp and turn golden brown. This should take 4 to 5 minutes. Once done, turn the duck breast and seal for about a minute, not forgetting to do the edges. Now into the air fryer. 5 minutes, then out to rest. On a rolling boil, for the perfect soft boiled egg, it's 6 minutes. No more, no less. Keeping the duck fat in the wok for added flavor, return to the heat. Now add the chicken stock and 2 tablespoons of Taishons Peking sauce. Stir and gently bring to a simmer. Remove the duck and allow to rest for 5 to 8 minutes. Now it's time for the veggies. Chestnut mushrooms, baby corn, pak choy, sugar peas and beans all get added to the broth. Finally add the noodles, soybeans and grated carrot, and we are ready to plate. Sounds good. Thinly slice the duck breast, place on top of the noodle broth. Garnish and top with a soft boiled egg. Taishons Peking noodle broth with duck. Simply sensational.